In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export data from Monday.com for reporting or analysis. Whether you need to send a report to your team, analyze performance in Excel, or share dashboard insights with stakeholders, Monday.com makes it easy once you know where to click. I'll walk you through exporting an entire board, exporting specific views like table or Gantt, and even exporting dashboard widgets. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's dive in. First, let's talk about exporting an entire board to Excel. This is perfect if you want a full backup of your board data, or if you want to run deeper analysis in Excel or another reporting tool. Start by opening the board you want to export. Once you're inside the board, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. This is the main board menu. From the drop-down list, select Export Board. You'll then see the option to export to Excel. Click that, and Monday.com will generate an .xlsx file for you to download. Now let's quickly go over what's included in that export. The Excel file will contain your groups, all items inside those groups, your columns, and your sub-items. Sub-items are typically placed in a separate tab within the Excel file, so make sure to check the bottom tabs when you open it. If you choose to include updates, those can appear as an additional sheet as well. This gives you a complete snapshot of your board, making it ideal for reporting, archiving, or sharing structured data with external stakeholders. Next, let's look at exporting a specific view. Sometimes you don't want the entire board. Maybe you filtered your data or created a custom layout like a table, Kanban, calendar, or Gantt view. In that case, exporting the specific view is the better option. To export the table view, first switch to the table view at the top of your board. Once you're in the correct view, click the three-dot menu within that view. From there, choose Export to Excel. This export will respect your current filters and column selections, which is extremely helpful if you only want a specific subset of data for your report. If you're working with a Gantt view, the process is slightly different. Open the Gantt view from your board. In the top right corner of the Gantt layout, you'll usually see an Export button. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose between exporting to PDF, image, or Excel. PDF and image formats are great for presentations or client updates, while Excel is better if you want to manipulate or analyze the timeline data further. Now let's move on to exporting dashboard data. Dashboards are often used for high-level reporting, combining multiple boards into visual widgets like charts, numbers, and tables. If you want to export data from a dashboard, start by opening the dashboard itself. Then hover over the widget you want to export. In the top corner of that widget, click the three-dot menu. Depending on the widget type, you'll see different export options. For visual widgets like charts, you can typically download them as a PNG image or export them as a PDF. This is perfect for adding visuals to a presentation or sharing performance metrics with leadership. For table-based widgets, you may also see an option to export the underlying data as a CSV or Excel file. This is especially useful if you want to perform deeper analysis outside of Monday.com. And that's it. You now know how to export an entire board, a specific view, or dashboard data from Monday.com for reporting or analysis. Using these export options, you can create detailed reports, back up your information, and share insights with anyone, even if they don't have access to your Monday.com account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.